involved in this series is because motocross racing shaped my entire childhood. I started racing when I was 4 years old, and it's all I wanted to do from that moment forward.
And for me, what I love is not only the passion that it brings the kids, but the entire family. I grew up with my brother racing. We went every single weekend. It brought our family together, and it was so much fun. And we just, every single one of us enjoyed all of it.
Another successful night here at round 3 of the Mini MX Stacyc Championship put on by the Utah Adventure Group and Edge Powersports. Again, more people turning out. We had so much fun. The racing just keeps getting better. We are the Utah Adventure Group.
We'll see you at the track.